In this video, we're going to talk about why self-education is so important, and in truth, it really all starts with what I call the information stream. The information stream is the common knowledge of information adapted by society. It's how the majority feel about sugar, about work, about school. It's made up of beliefs that have been passed down in families and by what's taught in school. For example, English and math are part of that information stream, but aliens, not so much. Going to college or university to get a 4-year degree is part of the information stream. However, teaching yourself what you want to know is not. The reason why this is so important is because this information stream defines a lot of our lives. It pushes us into university, into a corporate job, into a home, into debt, and into an unhealthy lifestyle. This information stream is highly influenced by those in power. This means that there is a massive amount of amazing information outside this general information stream, but because it's not mainstream, no one will teach it to you in college or even a course. You have to go out and discover it yourself. This course is an example of something that is outside the information stream. It's not common knowledge, and I had to self-educate myself on these topics in a way where it would benefit my conscience. And even then, there is no book that speaks specifically to this equilibrium mindset. I have had to piece this together from many other sources. My point being that if we expand our knowledge outside the information stream, we can access life-changing information that will help us level up and unlock our true potential. The information stream is limited, and so if it is your only source of information, you will also be limited. Whereas if you embrace self-education, you become limitless. Self-education is also the path to further your understanding of the 4 pillars. I could have filled this course up with many more videos on the 4 subjects, but I decided to keep it to the best of what I know for simplicity's sake. You will need to further your education in mindset, critical thinking, self-education, and energy, and tailor what you learn to your specific needs. This will also apply to subjects outside the 4 pillars. If you need to learn a new skill to level up at work or to start a business or to solve a relationship problem, the study of self-education is your path to that skill. I'm going to show you my best learning strategy so that regardless of what you need to learn, you can learn that subject quickly. The core of self-education is this: if knowledge is power, then what you don't know has power over you. All of that information outside the information stream is holding you back, and self-education or learning how to learn is going to bridge that gap and take you from being limited to being limitless.